Gabriella Ryan from Kamalifestyles.com. Guys, today I'm going to talk about texts that will make her chase you. Texting is one of the easiest ways of getting a girl to chase you because you have the time to think and predict what she'll say. It's easier than seducing a girl standing in front of you because you don't have the chance to hesitate. However, it might not be as easy as it sounds because you're not seeing the girl's physical cues to help you in your advances. To make a girl chase you over the text, it's a gradual process, but just like seducing her in person, there's more room for creativity. Here are texts that will make her chase you. Breaking the ice text. It doesn't matter if we meet in person or you got my number from a friend. Breaking the ice text is essential. It will help you evaluate my mood and also create the environment you want. I always say that the person who initiates something has more control of the direction it takes. So be the one to text first and warm me up before the juicy details, because this is a part where you show me that you care. Ask me how my day or night was or how I'm feeling. Listen to her. Women are more attracted to men who give them the attention they desire. Since you want her to chase after you, be there for her and make her feel your presence. Make yourself emotionally available and let her send the long text venting about what she is going through. Show her that she's running the conversation by wanting to know more about her. Power has an aphrodisiac effect. Regulate how you talk to her so that you don't become so close that you find yourself in the friend zone. Create the emotions you want. Most guys who have had success with women know that creating emotion is important. When she's busy, send her a text that will want her to get back to you. Most guys want to chat from morning to evening, which is dangerous because once you run out of cards, you become boring and we drift away. Make her laugh, intrigued, passionate, or simply take her on a roller coaster of emotions. When you always create different emotions for her while texting, makes you unpredictable and an exciting guy to chat with. Poke her imagination. The good part about starting the conversation is that you get control. Men who have a bit of mystery are always interesting to give us the challenge that we're secretly asking for. Get her out of the comfort zone and take her for a trip in your world. Flirt with her, but be careful not to be too explicit because it does not leave room for imagination. When you give us something to think about when we're texting, we try to figure out your end game when we're not texting. Being always on a woman's mind will increase her attraction towards you. Play the grand finale. This is the point that the tables turn and the hunter becomes hunted. You have been faithful in texting her, making her laugh when she is sad, listening to her, playing with her imagination and fantasies. Now it's time to start pulling back and let her come for you. Smoothly withdraw yourself and make her miss you and the exciting text you had. If she likes you, she'll chase hard after you. However, do not make her chase so hard until she seems desperate. Just a little gap to give her a reality check that your position in her life is enough. Gents, that's all from me today, but if you want more information about our services, you can contact me by email on gabriella@kamalifestyles.com and I'll come back to you shortly. And of course, if you simply like my video, then please share, comment, like and subscribe. I'm Gabriella Ryan and I will see you next time.